Looking to transform your compact backyard into a luxurious retreat? A small in-ground plunge pool might be the perfect solution. Today, we'll explore why these pools are not just stylish, but also practical, plus some essential design tips to make the most of your space. Plunge pools are ideal for small backyards because they maximize space efficiency while still offering the pleasure of a swim or a refreshing dip. Unlike larger pools, they are cost-effective, easier to maintain, and quicker to install, making them perfect for urban homes or tight outdoor areas. Beyond functionality, a plunge pool adds value and aesthetic appeal to your backyard. With the right design, even a tiny outdoor space can feel like a private resort. Now that we know why a small plunge pool is a great addition to a compact backyard, let's look at some tips to design your own stylish and functional outdoor oasis. Tip 1. Choose the right shape. Select a pool shape that fits your backyard layout. Corner pools are perfect for L-shaped spaces, rectangular pools maximize usable area, and circular designs soften modern landscapes. Tip 2. Focus on materials and finishes. Materials define the pool's style. Use natural stone, wood decking, or mosaic tiles to enhance the look. Lighter colors can make the area feel larger and brighter, while darker tones create a modern, elegant atmosphere. Tip 3. Integrate greenery and landscaping. Add plants, vertical gardens, or privacy screens to create a serene, resort-like vibe. Even small greenery touches soften the look and make your backyard feel more inviting. Tip 4. Optimize lighting. Lighting transforms the pool area at night. Use LED strips, underwater lights, or warm ambient lights to create a cozy, magical atmosphere for evenings. Tip 5. Functional additions. Include seating, a pergola, or a small lounge area to make your plunge pool not just beautiful, but also functional for relaxation and social gatherings. Even the smallest backyard can become a private oasis with the right plunge pool design. By choosing the right shape, materials, greenery, lighting, and functional additions, you can create a stylish, functional, and relaxing outdoor space that fits perfectly into your compact backyard. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more backyard design inspiration.